Hi, this is Miss Faith, and welcome back to our English Plus lesson. We already covered the two sentence styles, which are simple sentence and extended sentence. Today, we will try to start our sentence with fronted adverbials as an opener. I would like you to take notice of how the different sentence styles are structured. The simple and extended sentence are almost similar. They both begin with a subject. Except, of course, we added extra object to our extended sentence. The third style begins with an opener followed by a comma, then SVO. So, what is a fronted adverbial? Why do we use them? Adverbials come from the word adverb. An adverb is a word that describes or gives information about a verb, adjective, or phrase. It tells us how we are doing things, how much, how often, where, and even when. And sometimes we call them as an adverb of manner. For example, quietly, quickly, anxiously, as quick as a flash. We're describing how we are doing or the manner of action is done. There's also an adverb of degree, in how much or what extent. So altogether, almost unbelievably, without a doubt, hardly out of breath. We also have the adverb of frequency, how often we do things or the action is done. Once in a while, occasionally, rarely, or again and again. An adverb of place tells us where the action happened. Over the mountain, around the corner, far away, in the distance. And the adverb of time is showing us when the action happened. Was it yesterday? All of a sudden? Is it just then? Or in the morning? So that's the adverb. For this lesson, remember this structure. Opener is a fronted adverbial followed by a comma, then subject, which is a noun, verb, and object. And of course, don't forget the full stop in the end to end your sentence. Let's look at the following example. Remember, our structure for this sentence style is opener, comma, subject, verb, object, full stop. Number 1. Quietly, Ryan entered the classroom. In this sentence, our opener is quietly. This is a fronted adverbial telling us how Ryan entered the classroom. It's an adverb of manner. Our subject in this sentence is Ryan, verb entered, and the object is telling us where Ryan entered, and that is the classroom. Quietly, Ryan entered the classroom. Now let's look at sentence number 2. Straight after break, Ryan entered the classroom. Our opener is straight after break. Subject Ryan, verb entered, and we have the same object as the first one, which is the classroom. Straight after break is an adverb of time because it's telling us when Ryan entered the classroom. Now, can you write your own fronted adverbial sentence? You may print the fronted adverbial mat to help you. Here's another template for you to practice. Now, when you do this, You have to follow the structure to help you. So for example, you need to start with an opener or fronted adverbial. You can choose if you want to start with the adverb of manner, adverb of place, or of time. So for example, you might choose next to the washing machine, then you have to think comma. So our opener is next to the washing machine, comma. Then you need to think of the subject. Who could be your subject? Maybe the children. So that's your subject. What did they do there? Pulled what? The clothes from the basket. So that's an example. But of course, you need to write it over here. Write it clearly, okay? Like so. Next to. Okay? So have a go, alright? And have fun doing this activity, and see you next lesson for a new style of sentence. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye.